I had turned the webcam audio off this whole time. They couldn't even hear me. That's funny. I wonder if webcam audio. I guess they can hear me now. Sorry about that, folks. Little technical difficulties. Like I'm into mirroring my phone. You know, you can mirror your screen to the TV. I'm heavy into that right now. I'm like, if I'm in a trade on my phone, I'm like looking at the chart on TV. That way I'm not in my room trading. Pound Aussie still looks good. I would move my stop to break even or to secure some profit. And it's before the 8 o'clock candle. I got a trade to hit the target in 3 trades before the 8 o'clock candle. Man, that's heavy. That's heavy, heavy. Pound dollar's doing good. Really good. Exactly what I thought it would do. Doing okay. I should say that. I start doing Zooms again next week. It's just my practice right now. You can't see my screen. Yeah, you got it disabled on my end. Pound Aussie still frightened. It's all good. You can see my screen now. Yeah, that's the Pound Aussie. I don't know what the hell it's doing. I know why it's doing that 3. I still think it's gonna fight though. By the time you wake up tomorrow, that's gone. Yeah, that's a set and forget. You can't even watch that. You gotta let that stop you out, or I move my stop to break even. So that means the Aussie dollar must be going crazy. Is that pound New Zealand? Ooh, my New Zealand CAD is working. Finally, do the New Zealand CAD too. So New Zealand CAD, US yen hit the target. New Zealand dollar bump you. New Zealand dollar never came back. New Zealand CAD is busting. Let's take that to a 3-1. Aussie didn't come back to break even. Is fighting. It's about to be 8 o'clock. So we'll see what all of these things are made of. Pound dollar looks like it's going to be all right, though. That was my favorite. Pound dollar, and I think this euro is the euro dollar. Yeah, euro dollar never came back, though. It just looked good. It may start back on Facebook Live next week. Not Facebook, YouTube Live, all that. US yen. I was fire. Love that trade. Saw it right here, right at 18 o'clock. I drew it before 18 o'clock. So 18 o'clock it popped in and it was just like a sell market right here. Spreads were still high though. Little, not high, but you know, that's the US yen, so it wasn't that bad. Wasn't that bad. Pound Aussie defaulted. It didn't follow all the rule. Well, I won't say it defaulted, it just ain't working now, but it didn't follow my rules really anyway, so I don't know why. Pound dollar was more fit the criteria. New Zealand CAD just stuff is in supply too. High time frame supply. We'll just see though. Not supposed to be trading before 8 o'clock. I'm a bad man. Oh, yeah, it came down. I ain't like that. Guess it came back and worked. No rally base rally at 500. It's busting. Can't catch them all though. Now Aussie's still fighting. Pound dollar too, still fighting. Come the 8 o'clock special. I'm gonna leave it right there. That's the original zone. So hit it, bit it. I've been setting and forgetting my butt off too lately. Now Aussie is doing the Schickenheimer. Thing is doing the Tappan Zee bridge right now. Oh, dollar. Excuse me, folks, for yawning. New Zealand cat still fighting. This is where I would walk away from the computer, people. I took a long on a New Zealand cat this morning. I walked away from the computer. That thing did the Watusi. I took this zone right here at 8 o'clock, 8:30. This zone down here. The rally base rally down in there. I took that this morning. It did this. It was doing this. I turned around, did something, just ignored it. It was up here, 9:30. I was like, yes, sir. So I caught that this morning. This is something else. What else did I see this one? Might have been the pound Aussie too. I think it was the pound Aussie and the New Zealand cat. Pretty sure it was the pound Aussie is working. Is it this morning? I think it was this zone right here. Oh, what? Nah, it wasn't the pound. Something else. I was looking at this though, but I ain't like how choppy it looked. It was something else I was looking at. I forgot. I have no idea. But that New Zealand cat, maybe it was pound Swiss, I think. Might have. Pound Swiss or the, was it a dollar pit? If it was a euro dollar, I would know that. No, it ain't the euro dollar. I think it was the pound Swiss. Yes. I think this was it. Yeah. Off of this candle and the break of this supply, this candle this morning. This rally base rally right here. So it's 8:30. Yeah. I think that was it. Definitely the New Zealand CAD. Last night was the US yen. Right here at 19 o'clock. Could have got in at 20 o'clock, but I got in at 500. Early like I did tonight. You can catch them right before 8 o'clock. Last night right here. Then the short tonight. Still dropping. CAD yen last night too. I ain't even erased this. This last night too, to retap at 19 o'clock. Then at 20 o'clock, you could have took 500. 8 o'clock. Last night. Yen long. But the yen, I favored the US yen over the CAD yen. Even though they both were strong and the yen was weak. New Zealand CAD is buckling. Now Aussie is doing the yeah. Had to do a double tap. Let's go and get up here. 8 o'clock now. Yeah, that should get up there off of this candle right here. See, sometimes you get in before this, before the 8 o'clock. That's what I like. Sometimes it don't retrace back down. It just keep going from where you got in. It don't even come back down here. Right there. Bang. We'll see. That pre 8 o'clock is crazy. Sometimes you just catch a head start. Or you catch the pips that it was gonna give before the turnaround, but you get in and out. Still believe that's gonna go though. Set and forget. This will be a 4-1. By all my tolerance, a hole right here. It took a while for me to find my little niche. My trades be over by 8 o'clock, 8:30 sometime. This US yen last night had a close target. This was done by 20 o'clock, let alone getting in the trade. I was out of this. Could have held it, but this is over in an hour. New Zealand CAD this morning too. Was this the CAD Swiss last night? Friday morning. New Zealand CAD still trying. This New Zealand CAD this morning. Once it hit, he was in it for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So it's kind of slow right now. Used to the trade doing that. Bang. It's the age of session, so it's gonna take its time. Sometimes it does. It's a U.S. session. Oh, we out. You make the right call. Oh, we giving your money in a hurry. What was that gold? This is the long last week on gold. Aussie yen just hit the zone twice, actually, for the second time. 92 even. Because I don't know if I would mess with that. Yen just got kind of strong. Let's see. Benefits. Yeah, the yen is in the front. I ain't messing with that. That dude. Like, comment, subscribe, folks. EuroCAD was fire too. This morning, this was fire. Euro yen is coming in. Bum, bum, bum. Come on, euro dollar. Actually, I wasn't even messing with you. Didn't even come back. That's in some supply right now. These dollar pairs are trying to break some heavy supply. Pound dollar's doing alrighty then. Pound dollar is currently at a 2-to-1, almost a 3-to-1. Let's see if we can get past the 3-to-1, folks. I'd have got out right at the top. Pip. Like this is this 3. Put 10 standards on that. 11. 10 standards, $300. That's a stack. Let me get that quick. So, or you can stay in it. Because I believe it's going up. Pound is strong. So, for y'all that don't know the reason why we're pounding, there's a pound. And the dollar is kind of weak. So, if you guys are wondering why, tell me why. This is why. Now Aussie is going to take all night. Jesus. BJ, we finna get rich, man. Just hold tight. I'm over here busting it down. I'm on fire right now. The information I gave you on Sunday, the same information. Pound dollar. I'd really rather for trades that hit at, 7 o'clock is better than 18 o'clock. Some of them hit at like 6:30. I'd rather wait till at least 7:30. Right. Just like the pound dollar the other morning that you was trying to get in, I don't like. If you look at the pound Aussie and the pound yen that morning, they both retraced. The pound dollar is the only one that didn't retrace, and the pound CAD. That's how I be looking at my trades. I don't that press the button right on the. Not with that. I can't do that. It has to come down into something and pop. I don't care if it takes till 9:30. I'd rather do that than to try and jump in something at 8:05. I'd rather wait for a zone to come back at 9:30. It got zones that came back this morning at like 9 something. Yeah, so I'm just telling you that. So when your finger be there at 8 o'clock on the dot, will your finger be sitting there? Just to relax. That's definitely gambling. If it ain't lifting off or coming off or something, I can't even do it. I don't care. I'd rather wait till the next day. This New Zealand cat, I think, is going to go. I don't know if it's going to get all the way up here, but I think it's going 85 even. Yeah, I caught some this morning. Right here. Yeah, just like you would in the evening. Same thing we've been doing for months. Called leftovers. In case you forgot. Go ahead, New Zealand cat. Get busy. Dag nabbits. Oh, for those that don't know, the cat is weak. The New Zealand is kind of strong. It's a little bit. The cat got a little weak this evening. So that's why we over here catting. And this is also a U.S. session pair. So it moves like this during the U.S. session. But right now, I mean, New Zealand is an Asia session pair. But for some reason in the morning, sometime it moves a little more. It's a little bit of information. I'm almost ready to get off of here, BJ. My trades don't last this long no more. That's why I don't even mind doing Zoom no more. Like, even if the trades were right here, I would still get off because I'm not going to watch it. I just want to look at it an hour or two later, it'll be here. No, I wouldn't because I was in my trades last night before now. You had some 8 o'clocks, but I was in the U.S. yen before 8 o'clock. Just like I was in this U.S. yen short before 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock, I was finished. This is what I'm used to now. Just get it over with. Like, I don't even care. You see this last night? This is hit at 19:10, 19 o'clock. This was over at 20 o'clock. So sometimes I'll be done before 8:30. And this just be little extras that, because I'm not trying to sit here all night and go through this and watch this. I'd either take my money right now and call it a day, or I'm moving my stop and minding my business because it could come back down here now. You know? But I'd turn off the computer. You notice my trades get quicker and quicker, be real quick now. So that pound Aussie from last week, we was just a little off, but I was right on that trade. Just off by a smidget. That long. That small time frame. That was a 100 pip trade. Just by a smidgen. But it was still, I was still right on the direction. Probably could have just still got back in it or just reassessed it before we got in it. Pound. Yeah, I would definitely turn my computer off right now on this pound dollar because this was one of my favorites after the U.S. yen. And I had drawn the pound Aussie. I think even before you said something, when you said pound Aussie, I had already had it drawn for the 19 o'clock entry. Yeah, I would just let both of these just go to their targets and mind my business. Like I wouldn't even care. Be like, yeah, all right, whatever. New Zealand CAD too. I'd let all three of them play out. New Zealand CAD. I don't know what that's going to do though, and it's at 85 even, so I might be a little reluctant to this one. 3-1. With the pound dollar and the pound Aussie, I would let rock. It takes two to make a thing go right. Pound dollar, pound Aussie. It's another one too. No, just pound Aussie and pound dollar. I don't think I did anything else tonight. Aussie dollar, but that pound dollar look a lot better. CAD Swiss to this morning after 8:30, after 8 o'clock. This was 11 o'clock actually. Yeah, this was an 11 o'clock because this candle broke the low. This candle right here broke the low. So this was the 11 o'clock entry this morning on the button. Trend was down, dropping. 11 o'clock, I just tagged them. Pop! 96, 69 even. Get off me. Popped them. That's what this was. It was no long. I'm tripping. This old, probably from last week. It's from 10 o'clock, something like that. Or maybe I moved the zone because of this morning. I ain't erased that. This morning at 11 o'clock, the trend was super down. Just, ugh. It's still dropping, actually. Yeah, I wake up and see where these are tomorrow. Maybe move a stop loss or take some off. But this way I get fidgety right here. New Zealand CAD is working really nice too. This is also at 19 o'clock. You can catch that 7 o'clock run before the 8 o'clock. So by 8 o'clock, you already in it. You already deep in. Pound CAD look nice too. What happened? That was a beautiful. Wait a minute. Everybody's looking at the pound CAD for the long. This is a nice 8 o'clock. What is nobody doing? Well, I guess I'm done for the day, so I ain't even think about it. 62 even? Nobody? Sheesh. Just standing out here in center field with your glove open, huh? Okay. Why are you paying attention? The hell? Little bullish 8 o'clock, 17 o'clock joint. 62 even? Hell yeah. Let me get to 250 on you, cuz. Pip, I'm out. Right here. 250. Let me get that. Right at this little supply zone. This little air. Might not even get that far. I tried. Found it strong. Might get to this high. I might break that high and come right here. Don't believe the hype. Yeah. I think it might get in here some way. A little bit above 250. Don't believe the hype. Yeah, 20 o'clock. Silver Surfer special. How'd you miss those, baby? Machine Gun Jebblies. Austin Powers, by the way, for those that don't know. For those non-movie people. Do I make you feel randy? Yeah, baby. Hey, I'm getting my mojo back. Seem to have lost my mojo. Boston. Pound Aussie is on its way. Pound dollar started tripping, started slipping. But I still think it got what it takes. It's at 500. He pips it. What's crazy is that high is almost a 3-to-1. That's what's funny. Like, that's a 3-to-1. Uh-oh. Little doji right here for those who want to get in. Uh-oh. It's coming back. Those that might want to take a shot, maybe to come to the actual logo. Let's see. Oh, snap. That zone looks crazy. That might be the zone right there. Uh-oh. Aussie dollar. That's why you gotta get in at that 8-piece and hold your mule. So it's 19 o'clock. It's 19:30, yeah. I think still might come down and then go off. Oh snap, pound Aussie. Smash. Yeah. Pound Aussie smash. US yen smash. New Zealand CAD, it might have turned around. It's New Zealand yen. New Zealand CAD still fighting. It ain't a smash yet though. Get used to this, B-Jizzle. Pound Aussie smash. 4-to-1. Ah. Knew that Aussie dollar. Dollar strong. The dollar. Oh no, actually. The 30 is over it, so no way. Not. That's a super short too. At 19 o'clock, 250. You'd have been in it way before 8 o'clock. You'd have been up 25 pips before 8 o'clock. Yeah. It's like the U. That's why I took the US yen. It had the same little fall over it as the Aussie yen. That little if 250 sell market. Yeah. Off the previous SmackDown. Euro dollar. Let's see, what is that? Yeah, that's off the 17, off the 14 o'clock candle at 250. It's not a bad short. I actually like the this doji off the US yen. That's why I actually picked it. That little pin doji, whatever the heck that is. Then I took the short off the 14 o'clock candle at 17 o'clock. Yeah. Zealand CAD is still buffering. Yeah, I probably would have got out by now. Pound CAD is trying. I didn't even know how we ain't see that at 8 o'clock. That wasn't a bad move. Pound years in, pound dollar turned back around. It's in supply, so I expect. This is 500. But it might hold right here. The man right here. Sniper entry. Sniper entry game. If you was gonna retake this trade, that's the entry right here. 2 pips of risk. That one, did that 30 get over it? Good. I'll give it 2 pips. I think the zone was already used up right here. I don't know if it's coming out of there. Probably not. It's already toast from right here. Did you think about taking it, BJ? Did you take it? Oh, okay. I'm talking about the pound dollar. Was you thinking about taking? Don't want to give it up, turn it loose. Probably gonna get off in a minute too. I just recorded it. I ain't. Bring the Zoom back next week, probably. Go to bed or watch a movie. All right, BJ. All right, people. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for stopping through. Leave a like, a comment, subscribe, suggestions, all the above. Thank you for watching.